How to enable and view printed document history on Windows 10. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Control Panel. Then click on Hardware and Sound. In there, click on Device Printers. Click on your printer, right-click on it, and then click on See What's Printing On. In here, you will find all the history of printer. If you don't find it here, simply go back, search Event Viewer. In Event Viewer, you'll find this kind of screen pop up, expand application and services. In here, expand Microsoft, then expand Windows. After that, simply you'll find Print Service, expand Print Service, and then click on Print Service. After you click on Print Service, you will find two options in the screen, Admin and Operational. Simply click on Operational. Right-click on it and then go to Properties. In here, make sure there's tick mark in Enable Logging In. After you do that, simply click on Apply and then press on OK and you're good to go. This is how to enable and view printed documents history on Windows 10. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.